everyone, welcome to the making of Powerful Prince cream silk soap. We're in the habit this year, if we can get through the full year, and years do go pretty fast. I mean, we're over halfway through, well, we're not quite halfway through February yet, and I'm trying to give a name to every new soap that I create, a powerful, strong message in the name or the design or something like that, but I don't think I'm going to be able to do it for a full year, but we're managing okay today with Powerful Prince. So I've just made up a tiny quantity of oils and lye solution. In here I've got 380 grams of oil, and I've got 120 grams of lye solution, meaning I've got that's the lye and the water together. So basically what's in this jar, in this jug, basically what's in this jug is 1/10 of my usual recipe. I've got some lovely silicone molds behind me. I don't know if what I've made here is enough to actually fill them all, but I'll just make some more if it doesn't. I've already put some titanium dioxide in it, and I'm not going to put any fragrance in it because the fragrance I'm using today, Stylish Man, from Sensory Perfection, which is a fabulous dupe of Lamal. So you Lamal lovers who always used to buy Lamal from me, it's back. And people might say, why did I discontinue it? Because someone mentioned the other day about me discontinuing one of the other fragrances. And why did it? I think I just wanted a change. I'd been making the same soaps day in, day out for years. And when I didn't have the wholesale, I could be more creative with my soaps again. Instead of making the same ones day in, day out, week on, week out, year on, year out. So let's blend. So I got these silicone molds, I think, from Amazon. I'll put a link to them in the description box below the video. And because they're not very big, it'll not be easy to pour them perfectly. But I guess I could always do this. And we'll just take a paint scraper It's a lot quicker way to do it, isn't it? Actually, I think that's a much more efficient and neater way to do it. Means you get exactly the same quantity in each and every one. So I've actually put a bit too much in there, haven't I? Okay, time to unmold these pretty perfect little squares. Oops. So we've got our squares, we've got our fragrance. We need a little bit of decoration for inside of the soap, and we're going to do it in that our favourite blue of the moment. So I'm just grating up some old soap that I made especially for this type of job. It's just the same recipe and everything that I always use. Okay, so let's add our lye solution into the oils. You don't need to wear a mask when you're making soap, you just need to wear the mask when you're mixing the caustic soda into the water, because the fumes come off. There's no fumes when you're mixing the soap batter up. Let's blend. Right, now let's add the colour. So the colour we are using is that gorgeous, our favourite blue violet, which is, I'm pretty sure, blue. Now I know we're not doing a pastel today, now, I think this fragrance moves quite fast. Right, it needs to go in now. Okay, so I'm just putting some more on the top that hasn't got any shreds in it. I did want a pipe on the top, but this fragrance moves that fast that there's no way I can do that. Okay, so let's place these squares. I wonder how many we can get along. 5. So if I just put one right in the center. Right, very happy to see the soap hasn't actually discoloured at all yet. It will a tiny bit, but I'm very happy that we have still got that gorgeous blue. So it's quite simple, the design, but it looks really smart. Those squares on the top, they're reminding me of teeth. What do you think? That's just what sprung to my mind there. I like it. I think it's cool. Very neat. And there she is. There's the soap there. Our powerful Prince soap. Very, very happy to see that the colour has stayed that gorgeous hyacinth blue. The shreds are just enough in there, not too many. And those teeth on top, I mean, the cubes of soap on top just look so neat and tidy. And I hope you enjoyed this one. Let me know in the comments section down below the video if you enjoyed it. Don't forget that I am counting comments on this video to go towards our giveaway. Whoever places the most comments on the next 10 videos is going to get £30 worth of stock from Eden's Secret. We've already done one giveaway, and Lee and Monica was our very first giveaway winner for being our biggest fan, basically. So yeah, that's when it started. So we're on to the next one now, and I'll see you all very soon for another video from Eden's Secret. Bye bye for now.